Good day, everyone. So, we have now a new presentation of our topic in abnormal psychology, which is the schizophrenia. In exploring schizophrenia disorder, we will tackle the some of the information that describe what is schizophrenia. First of all, schizophrenia is subjective to describe as disrupt of perceptions of the world of a person, also tackled about the thought, the speech, the movement, and almost every other aspect of his or her daily functioning or this individual. Usually, in exploring schizophrenia, there is a chronic with a high relapse of rate. Complete recovery from schizophrenia is rare in some cases. Some that cause in the trigger of this disorder might be unstressful, traumatic life event, or maybe high expressed emotion from family criticism, hostility, or and any other intrusion. Sometimes no obvious trigger might have been seen of this disorder. Some of symptoms of schizophrenia might be observed for people with this one, with some of the criteria that we have can see or cannot be seen at all, no, that that may show it at the same kinds of symptoms. So symptoms may vary from people to people, individual to individual, or person to person, and may be cyclical. No, that common symptoms include the delusions, which is the unrealistic, no, or bizarre beliefs. When we say hallucination, there is a sensory events that are not based on any external, no, event, while the disorganized speech is jumping from topic to topic, which cannot be seen, no, totally. The clear speech, behavioral problems, no, with catatonic immobility, have inappropriate dress, no, like withdrawal, lack of emotional response, or what we call apathy. And to start with our discussion with this schizophrenia, we have here of some perspective that we can have seen, no, in early figures and identifying the symptoms now of this disorder, or which what we call schizophrenia. So here are presented, no, of people who have suffered from schizophrenia. No, so we have emotional dysfunctions. We have including delusions, lean delusions, like what I said, the hallucination, the disorganized speech, behavior, inappropriate emotions. Also, schizophrenia described also as a complex syndrome that inevitably, has a devastating effect on the lives of the person or a person who is affected now on family members. Also, this disorder, schizophrenia, can disrupt a person's perceptions, the thought, speech, and movement. And as we can see of this person, almost of his every aspect of daily functioning are being affected. And the other aspect on his dynamic life, society often devalues these individuals. People with these severe mental health problems are more likely to be stigmatized and discriminated against than those without schizophrenia, among other researches that found out on their results. Also, in the other aspect, despite of these important advances, no, in treatment in handling, no, or helping this with treatment of this disorder, some of them know yung full recovery from schizophrenia has a low report no based of rate na meron tayo, of which 1 out of 7 patients lang ang gumagaling. Also, this catastrophic event, that disorder that takes now a tremendous an emotional toll to an everyone involved of this disorder. Imagine suffering from this disorder was not a good, no, or really an and a very uh, a good idea to have this. And of course, when we look at on the early figures in the diagnostic criteria, no, or the history of the schizophrenia, we have to look back with this some of the key figures, no, of the history. So beginning 1809, we have the observation, no, on madness and melancholy, which in this title of book, no, he mentioned about this, no, by John Haslam, no, that he outlined a description of the symptoms of an schizophrenia, no, which he called a form of insanity on his following passage that he described on his book or inside of his book. Along with that, we have the past years during of that one, during between 1801 to 1809 now, there are some of the recorded no information from Philip Pinel that I've mentioned no early part of our discussion on the chapter 1, which is a French physician who also described no cases of schizophrenia. So by this, no, towards the end of the 19th century, by this person, ito nga, nagkaroon pa ng some of writing that describe having no, of people having schizophrenia. And later of these years, no, the other person that also described during the 1852, no, after these 50 years, Benedict Morel, a French physician, no, at his institution, he used the term, no, the demens fricae na tinatawag. So in Latin, it is called the dementia praecox, meaning this is an early or a premature praecox, no, of losing of mind to describe a person suffering from schizophrenia. So in the other year, in the 1898, other people who have concern, no, in the early figure of the schizophrenia are Emile Krepin, no? Emil Kraepelin, the one who also know German physicists or psychiatrists that unified distinct categories of schizophrenia, the catatonic, the paranoid, and the hebephrenic that under the name dementia praecox. And during the 1908, Eugene Bloor are the one who describe also no of other things that describe of some of information that the one no give no I'll give a full right of idea when they describe no of the description at schizophrenia that the one who coined the term no na meron tayo. And of course, when we are going back to describe of the some of the information from uh, Benedict, no, that the one that describe yung mga paranoia, may be no, na meron tayo, or somehow artists are similar with each other, no, as they describe, like what Eugene Bloor described, the splitting of the mind, that the one, no, that Greek words that came from split, that sicken and mind friend. And we have associative splitting of the basic function of the personality. That's what we have now when we look at on the breaking of the associative threads of a person's that thinking of. We have to move that describe more on the schizophrenia and the description. So as we look back no, of the schizophrenia, we have the inclusion of the psychotic no, of disorder, including the thought, emotion, behavior, disordered thinking, faulty perception and attention, disturbances in movement or behavior, disruptive interpersonal relationship. And of course, it includes no of the other symptoms that what we call no yung ating uh, positive one. In which of these positive symptoms no, it covers the like one that what we have yung delusions, no? And when we try to look no yung ating Positive symptoms, it generally refers to symptoms around distorted reality, which is present of inappropriate ones. Like here in delusion, it described no that these are fixed beliefs that are not amendable to change, like in light and conflicting evidences. So for which the beliefs no are contrary to the reality and firmly held in spite of disconfirming evidence one. And this, in the delusions, we have content may include variety of themes that the person they think no about changing their perception when they are uh, diagnosed with this one no, that describe the passive symptoms, which is the delusions. So like here, the persecutory delusions believe that this one is going to be harm harassed by an individual, organization, or other group. Again, these delusions are beliefs contrary to the reality and firmly held in spite of disconfirming evidence one. And the second one is referential delusions. These also are beliefs that certain gestures, comments, no, environmental cues are directed at oneself. So these are only illusions of a person something that think and look about it. Somatic delusions, from word somatic, focus on preoccupations regarding health, regarding failure of an organ functioning instead of one's body part. So that talks about of one person working inside the body. So we have grandiose delusions. We have this no, a person having believes that he or she has no exceptional abilities like what superhero does, and the wealth or the fame one that they have no within themselves. Erotomanic delusions, an individual believes falsely that the other person no is in love with him or her, in which we can see no a person having or suffering from such this one that relieving himself no from this one. So delusions involving no person convictions now with believing no falsely person something that live loving with her or him. Nihilistic delusions, it include no, or involve the convictions that a major or the major catastrophic no, will occur on this one. This includes the some of the natural phenomena that they may discuss into that one. Some of the information that inside of the positive symptoms are number one or the number two is the hallucination. This hallucination is categorized an experience of sensory of events without any input from the surrounding that what we have or the person that may have experience. So these perceptions like experience that occur without external stimulus. So these hallucinations are only inside of the person of the thinking what they have seen. So to continue for what. To continue, we have here the sum of information that describe a person who are suffering from this disorder and experience no or manifest of hallucinations. So here are might experience no often auditory. You they are hearing some words, somebody who was no talking to them or might be telling to them some of words no that they may create no on their own thinking or in their own mind. So this is often done the visual no hallucinations. So they are the one who receiving no some uh, without accuse of stimulus no from the external one. So again, We have the other information coming from here, no, of the hallucinations. So the Vili voices are coming from the somewhere or someone else, but it is not probably hearing their own thoughts that they are no heard. So that the one that they express now in the auditory one. So we have here the other information that have vivid and clear and the full force of impact of normal perceptions and not under voluntary control. They may occur in sensory modality, but auditory hallucination are most common as person, no, as I described, to continue to discussion, no, this hallucination. So this is probably no more on hearing of own thoughts, no, that they are heard one on their own selves. The next one is the hallucination massacre in the context of a clear sensorium. These are those that are occur while falling asleep, which stage called the hypnagogic one or the waking up the hypnopompic one. Each are considered to be within the range of normal experience that include in this one. So for some normal individual or people that have experience, they have no may experience on this range one that occur in certain time or period. The next one that we have is the disorganized thinking speech. No, that the one has we have the here typically inferred from an individual's no, speech that when we look on this one, disorganized speech referring to the problems no, in organizing some ideas or every ideas of a person and even involving speaking so that no a listener can understand this information from coming from this person who are maybe clinically diagnosed or soon to be diagnosed with schizophrenia or as they show now and manifest on this criteria of suffering for a person with schizophrenia. Next is disorganized speech is include no yung loss of associations or derailment that the one who called in which the person no suffer or maybe more successful in communication with a listener but has difficulty no sticking to one topic as they exchange of information talking with them or chatting with them. So the next disorganized speech include is the tangentiality na tinatawag that is going off on a tangent instead of answering a specific questions that the one asked to him or her or to an individual. And we have also here yung typically inferred from individuals that organized no speech or disorganized speech that might he experience. So the symptoms must be severe enough to substantially impair effective communications, like what I said on you earlier or a while ago. We have here the some of the disorganized behavior naman, in which manifests itself in a variety of ways. So we have ranging from childlike silliness or unpredictable agitations that the one described in the history before. And when we talk about the disorganized behavior, these are individual or people with the symptoms no in the schizophrenia has or may go into inexplicable implicable or inexplicable bouts of agitations like interest in unusual clothes, act in a childlike or a silly manner that described here, and hoard food or collect garbage no within this environment or these surroundings. These are some of this no one person has showed no or manifest of the grossly disorganized no behavior one. And when we go to the negative symptoms of a discord of the disorder, no, of the schizophrenia. It is described, no, at involved deficit in normal behavior in such areas of speech, having blunted affect, motivations, no, that the one described into that information, and including, no, in this one is yung disorganized symptoms, no, or in speech, like what I said, no, uh, in advance or in early one, and yung ating disorganized behavior. So to discuss further about the negative symptoms, it is, no, an account for substantial portion, no, or portion of the morbidity associated with schizophrenia, but are less prominent in other psychotic disorders. So here are included, which is the 4A, avolition, asociality, the anhedonia, and the alogia. The other one is the affective flattening or the diminished emotional expression, in which in diminished emotional expression, including, no, of some reductions, no, of expressions of one's emotions within their face, eye, contact, intonations of speech or the words, movements of their hands, their heads, the face that normally give an emotional emphasis to speech, like a person, no, who is describing for some thoughts or words to this, no, uh, chatting friends or other individuals that they have talking to. Including of this, no, in the 4A is the abolition one, in which, no, decrease in motivated self-initiated purposeful activities. These are lack of motivation and might seem, no, in looking a seeming absence of interest in or inability, no, to persist in what you are usually routine activities does a person do, no, in his routine. The next one is the alogia, which is described now a manifest by diminished speech output, and alogia referring to a more on the a significant reduction in the amount of the speech that produced by a person or individual, no, right now, as they describe to the schizophrenia. The next is the anhedonia, which is decreased, no, ability and experience from pleasure, no, to a positive stimuli or digressions and the collection of pleasure previously experienced. So anhedonia most likely is loss of interest or in a reported lessening of the experience of pleasure one. So the last one that we have is the asociality, in which is referring to the lack of the interest and social interaction, where a severe impairments in social relationship with other people, no, or other members in their society and their surroundings. So that's the one that they have seen for the negative symptoms for a person diagnosed with schizophrenia. So we have schizophrenia again, which is a serious mental illness. People interrupt, no, or interpret reality abnormally and interferes with a person's ability to think clearly, that cannot, no, manage, no, their emotions, make decisions, and relate to others. That's the very big problem of a person suffering from schizophrenia. Like what I said on you, that person have described, no, for symptoms and descriptions of these clinical problems, no, such called schizophrenia. Then again, this is a complex, no, and a long-term medical illness, which, no, can found to a person who are suffering by this one. So it might be, no, take time and a long period of time that person may suffer on this one in order to cure, no, and this is continuously should treated, no, this problem typically emerge between the late teens and the mid 30s. Some other studies suggest, no, and found out which person, no, described with this, no, uh, in adolescence period our children no, might develop yung mga ganitong schizophrenia in the early features that such as mild physical abnormalities no, or poor coordination with mild and cognitive one na meron tayo and social problems. Again, we have yung ating genetic influence din naman that is responsible for making some individuals vulnerable to schizophrenia. So some of family studies din daw for the one who have this no have high risk yung mga who suffer from a severe schizophrenia. So they are typically the one who can get now probably the higher chance to have no when they experience normally like yung mga stress, like yung mga problems that they have encountered in life that might be no shared to them. So this is this is the stress model as like what I explained to you again in the late one. So we have the peak of age that onset for per psychotic episode in the early mid 20s for males and late 20s for females one that we have. Actually, they have no found out yung mga age na yan are from the other regions no, of their samples of the participations of the study. Some others no are might be seen in the mid 30s so sila yung mga usually nakakakitaan yan na problem no, or issues. So this might be caused by biological influence, the one that we have discussed no and factor no of the discussion no of looking out on the factors of the influence in genetic one so in the family studies so it trans no and the neurobiological influence as we go along no look back to the some of the information that described no from the neurotransmitter na meron tayo in which dopamine no, is involved in the issues yung schizophrenia. So then again no it has no a great story and impact no within these neurobiological influences na meron tayo. The prenatal and the perinatal no influence that suggests na an evidence no but before birth and yung ating around the time of birth the environment are correlated with the development of the schizophrenia that one that caused now with our problem or with this disorder. Next is this can be treated with insulin no na meron tayo. I'm sorry. Let's go back first with the psychological influence that mentioned here now in the schizophrenia. So if you're going to look back now in the psychological and the let's include now the social influences no it may trigger for some of the stress na meron tayo that makes a person with a predisposition for schizophrenia that might develop no a disorder. So yun yung nakikita natin isa yun sa mga basis na on some of the studies that shows of the symptoms that become no worse as a result doon sa mga stressful life experiences ng mga tao. So again, the vulnerability of the stress model na meron tayo in this schizophrenia has also suggest no in this case that predicting no a problems. And then yun nga. So it include no with this no highly concept na meron tayo. Then we have this can be treated no with insulin or coma therapy o kaya psychosurgery, electroconvulsive therapy, antipsychotic medications, and along with that no that they use no to prevent or to cure one of this problem na meron tayo. So, yun yung pinaka-isa sa mga best treatment. And also some treatment are individual or group or family therapy that can help no patient and family to understand no this disease or disorder. At the same time, to do some symptoms that triggers to a person to react with this scenario or to this situation no or from this condition that is really brings no a negative impact to their one's lives and together no with this person. And in this therapy, they may include no, yung teaches families communication skills for helping them no, to get rich again their normal behavior. So we need to really understand them when we are teaching no, to communicate no, with them. You can provide resources for dealing with emotional and practical challenges as the one appropriate no, or recommended for a therapist or a counselor or the one who handle with this no, having a possess of an expertise in the field. Social skills training may include in the treatment of schizophrenia that can occur no, in hospital or community settings that we may be used to them. You can teach no, the person with schizophrenia by yung social self-care, yung vocational skills, for them to be able to go back with their normal lives, to have understood no yung mga daily routines nila before that are not no really matter now for they are suffering with schizophrenia. Some of medications that may include no is taking in neuro leptic medications to help no people with this schizophrenia to again clarify their thinking and perception of reality since they are uh, experiencing no, from the negative no and the positive no symptoms man. Also to reduce hallucination and delusions that the one has no from the positive symptoms that described into that no part. Also no or along with that yung ating medications is yung mga drug treatment no na may be used to be consistent no is gamitin natin siya para maging mas effective. So, pag inconsistent kasi yung damage or yung causes nun o yung damage na makikita natin from the dosage that they have used may aggravate no, existing symptoms or create new ones. So, it is important to take note that they may not be skip no, yung ating ginagamit no, na drug treatment or some of the drugs uses no, to relieve no, from their problems or stress. So again, from our slides no, that we have, this is schizophrenia and some of the treatment available and the some of the information that person has with this schizophrenia. And when we go further with schizophrenia, it generally described on the diagnostic criteria for DSM-5 na meron tayo. It's course showing some of the information of the two or more no of this present significant criteria in describing of this portion no, during a month no 1 month period. So these are at least no of the following that we maybe have in displaying inappropriate affect behavior na meron tayo. So like in delusions, hallucinations, disorganized speech, no, negative symptoms, yung catatonic behavior na tinatawag. So here are some of them no, na meron makikita din tayo dahil yung dysmorphic behavior or dysphoric behavior, disturbed sleep pattern, in awareness of illness, show cognitive deficit no, na meron tayo for which a person no, have see it no, yung criteria na yan for mass this no, diagnose na makikita natin. So, yung diagnostic criteria natin, yan, the one that I said on you, na makikita ninyo, is the one that described to that a person suffering from that one. So, like yung ating delusions, the one that I have described on you, beliefs na of the contrary to reality, and firmly held in spite of disconfirming no, evidences that shows in the normal one, which they believe into the positive symptoms in delusions. So they are present the inappropriate ones. So they are confirmed to that one. Hallucinations that describe to the experience of sensory events now without any input from the surroundings or environment. The one that like what I said no, it is yung mga auditory no, na naririnig nila that not causes na from the stimulus outside, no, from the external one. The disorganized speech, referring to organizing ideas, no, or problems within the speaking, no, so listener can not understand what they are talking about to a person has suffering from schizophrenia. So yung mga disorganized catatonic behavior na meron tayo, this may describe to may dress to unusual clothes, showing to us na and act in a childlike or a silly one manner when they are presenting, no, or they are representing themselves to many people as they experience undiagnostic criteria for abnormal problems in schizophrenia one. So the negative symptoms, now we have the 4A, the abolition, asociality, anhedonia, alogia. No, that the one described into the problems in the negative symptoms. Again, yung negative symptoms natin is usually indicate, no, of the absence or the insufficiency of normal behavior. Include natin dyan yung apathy, yung thought or yung speech, yung emotional, yung social withdrawal nila na pwedeng mag-display, no, as their symptoms as they describe in the negative one of the schizophrenia. So we have again the abolition, yung ating lack of motivations, no, or absence of interest or inability to persist, no, in their daily routines of activities. So these are some of characteristics of them, no, na pwede natin makita from their most basic day-to-day functions, including yung associated with personal hygienes, no, in life. So when they look at, no, on this person, they have a poor hygiene, no, on their own self, in their own body. So when we look at on the other hand yung ating alogia, at dito makikita natin significant reduction niya in the amount of speech to talk with others. So this refers, no, in the absent speech, and with this, no, may respond to the questions that asked to them with the brief replies or answer, or have a little, no, content that may appear to uninterested in the conversation to the one who is talking or asking to them, and they may tendency to answer yes, no, no, one, and many that they have a word, no, to describe to their answers. And next we have yung ating anhedonia, so which is the loss of interest, no, in the lessening, no, of the experience regarding pleasure. So this is the pertaining of the presume of lacking of pleasure experience to some of people, no, or by some of these people with schizophrenia. So like anhedonia nga, signals, no, have in a difference with activities will typically be considered, no, pleasurable, no, including yung eating, social interaction, or sexual relations, no, with their partners or others. So these are some of this, no, of experiences to a person suffering from negative symptoms, like what here now in anhedonia. So the next one is the sociality, which is the severe impairments in social relationships, and similar to anhedonia, lack of pleasure, which is considered also typical of the experiences in their social interactions. So within this one, yung asociality naman natin, maybe no, very similar to also with other one, the abolition, no, and the anhedonia one, yeah, the one that I said or I mentioned a while ago. So in this one, yung asociality natin, impairments, no, in social relationship, and has uh, a lack of interest, no, with social interactions with the group and in the other people, no, around them, and worse, no, by limited opportunities to the results to interactions with others, and they have particularly, no, for a severely ill patients one described to this experience na makikita natin. Also, we may be seeing no, some of the affective flattening of referring to a lack of outward expression or emotions, like yung mga flat affect people with such no exhibit an experience of this one of they may not be responding appropriately with the expression of some uh, events or activities, so they may be unaffected no to what this no could significant one events or activity that been done during that time, so that the one that they have described to that one. So again, we have yung ating mga negative symptoms, no? The 4A and then the affective flattening one that included now, which is the 5A na actually. So as we go along with that, yung ating level of functioning with this person with the schizophrenia suffering, there are one or more areas na are markedly below level achieved prior onset, in which is great evidence no, to a person describe no, having these issues or problem na meron tayo. So makikita natin yung continuous disturbances persist no, for at least 6 months, na which is no symptoms is included no during and the entire period of this one that might be one or two or more of this no of the significant portion during the period of time that they have experienced ng ating schizophrenia. So what do we have next is the other specified schizophrenia spectrum and other psychotic disorder. So in this category of the psychotic disorder na meron tayo, we might be look on the some of the disorder or psychotic disorders that individuals no do not fit neatly under the heading of the schizophrenia. So by this no other specified schizophrenia, we have just described yung other categories that disorders depict these significant variations. So that's why in this category, we use some situation which clinicians chooses to communicate with specific reasons, and that presentation does not meet the criteria for again with the schizophrenia spectrum that the one that we have said a while ago. And these other psychotic behavior are presented here. So like here, the persistent auditory hallucinations occurring in absence of any other features that they have. Delusions with significant overlapping mood episodes. These are includes persistent delusions with period of overlapping mood episodes, presence of substantial portion of delusional disturbances that it might be seen to person which describe of some of the affective behavior, yung mga mood episode 1. Attenuated psychosis syndrome, which is the psychotic-like symptoms that below on the thresholds for full psychosis that it may be seen to them, which is the brief disorder 1. Delusional symptom in partner with the individual, the delusional disorder in the relationship on this context, which the delusional material from the dominant partner provides content of delusional beliefs. So they we may not otherwise entirely meet the criteria from the delusional disorder 1. So we have here now on the other specified one on the schizophrenia spectrum and other psychotic disorder. So like what I said, this category might not be confirmed and that as assert yung pag get nung full heading of the schizophrenia, particularly yung kanyang whole description. So that's why they didn't met na for a specific one yung ating schizophrenia spectrum one na meron tayo. So to more specific, ito yung mga diagnosis and some of includes of the presentation that are insufficient information coming from them. So like yung schizophreniform disorder, yung ating schizoaffective, yung delusional disorder, and the one that we have, yung group psychotic disorder, yung ating catatonic, no, na meron tayo. So we have also yung mga psychotic disorder that associated with other medical conditions na which may cause no yung prominent hallucinations and delusions. So to start with other psychotic disorder, the first one is the schizophrenia form disorder. So similar to schizophrenia, it has yung delusions, hallucination, disorganized speech, grossly disorganized, and negative symptoms. So this is remarked no, for at least 1 month, but not less than 6 months of persistence of this criteria of the episodes of which we person no, have described to the other psychotic disorders, which is under the schizophrenia form disorder. So people with this no, I experience of the symptoms together with schizophrenia for a few months only. So they can usually resume normal lives once they go back no and not receive again with this some of the symptoms. So the symptoms sometimes disappear and as the results of successful treatment using to their problems no is will be labeled no with later at schizophreniform disorder or because it is relatively no for uh, like what I said no on you for symptoms experience no, for a few months only. So the next is the schizoaffective behavior. We have yung person having no an interrupted period of illness during which there is a major mood no episode. No, that's why it's schizoaffective. So mood disorder is included like yung major depressive no or the manic one that in the previous hour topic no that describe on you. So with this concurrent with the criterion no of the schizophrenia one na meron tayo. So again, we have yung delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, grossly disorganized behavior, and the negative symptoms to a person. So the next one is the description of the schizoaffective pa din, that prognosis is similar to the people with the schizophrenia pa rin. So there is a presence na again of the mood disorder in which no also included yung ating mga major depressive and manic, and together with that they are having or suffering from hallucinations and delusions one for at least 2 weeks in absence of prominent no mood symptoms according to the APA no 2013 or from the DSM-5 also as they described to that one. We have yung delusional disorder natin which is the beliefs no are not generally held by other members of society. These major features of delusional disorder is persistence na belief in the contrary to the reality. No, that's why delusions. In this absence of other characteristics na of schizophrenia. Like what have here no na meron tayo in the delusional disorder, there is a grandiose type of delusion involves of believing one's inflated worth, no, together with power, knowledge, identity, or special relationship to a deity or famous person. So yun yung mga misconception no, with these people having no, or receiving yung ating delusional disorder. So again, there is a presence of the criterion of letter A, that the one that we have yung delusion, hallucinations, disorganized, uh, grossly disorganized behavior, speech, no, and then the negative symptoms. Along with that, we have the persistence of one or more not delusions with the duration of 1 month or longer period of time. So with this, yung ating makikita din natin dito, yung delusional disorder is included yung mga specifier din natin na makikita. Pwede diting autonomic, grandiose, jealous, persecutory, somatic, or other mixed type that we may include in that one that is present no, in the combination of the delusional disorder and the criteria. With others, we have yung ating criteria for substance medications that are really important no in that one. So when we look on that one, no, yung ating criteria for substance no medications induced with psychotic disorder, there's only a presence no of the both of the following symptoms, which is delusions and hallucinations, have also yung involved in the criteria no incapable of some of the history of evidences na from the physical examinations or laboratory findings, the criteria from the substance, no, yung intoxication, yung ating withdrawal no, of the exposure to the medications. So, the next one is yung ating psychotic disorder naman associated with another medical conditions. In this one, yung ating medical conditions no, that associated with the psychotic disorder is should be there is a persistent no of the prominent hallucinations or delusions. So there is a great effect of this presence of two, the hallucinations or the delusions. And there should be an evidence from the history of physical examinations na makita natin or even laboratory findings that given results to make disturbances no and makes no a direct pathological or physiological consequences of another medical condition to a person. So next is the brief psychotic disorder, that one of the some of the great no showing of the broad spectrum of the not receiving the full category no, of the schizophrenia. With this brief psychotic disorder, we are looking out on the persistence no of the presence of the two or more again of this criteria from letter A of the schizophrenia. So there is the delusions, hallucination, disorganized speech, grossly disorganized behavior one. So again, with this, a person who received no diagnosis with brief psychotic disorder is showing or characterized no with the presence of one or more positive symptoms such as delusions, no hallucinations, or disorganized speech behavior lasting for a 1 month or less. To a person no looking on that no pre-psychotic might be seen no yung ating mga ability no or functioning in the daily day activities na meron tayo are not often no received, and brief psychotic disorder is often precipitated by extremely stressful situations, so that's why it arises no, but we do not begin to diagnosis this person with full criteria of the schizophrenia, but rather on the brief psychotic, or because it is no mark of stress now of the brief reactive psychosis with the sum of events or significant no activities that they have subjectively directly experienced within this one. So, yun dapat na makita natin. So, that will be the end of our schizophrenia topic disorder that describe no of this na meron tayo. Again, the schizophrenia is uh, disorder that might be seen no yung ating criteria of the thought, emotion, behavior, disorganized thinking or disordered thinking, faulty on perception and inattention, together with the disturbances in movement and behavior, disruptive interpersonal relationship with others. So these are the significant no, psychotic disorders that have shown no, on the schizophrenia. So questions and queries will be entertained on the next meeting. Please set no this one, and thank you for listening for this topic. Once again, thank you and ingat po tayo palagi ang lahat. Goodbye.